unfolds now, and to everyone viewing us around the world, we have finally got you this game. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, if Yuvraj is a champion, the man who's coming up against him has been the reason many champions have started doubting their abilities. This man is very young. He's maybe 20 now. Parveen sir, 20, 21? 18 now. Just turned 18 now. But, again, he is the most powerful one. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time, and to the entire arm wrestling community around the world, we bring you your favorite, the champion of all times, the youngest Indian arm wrestler to have defeated everyone in this fraternity. Please welcome Abbas Rana! All of 18 years of age, incredibly strong, going against Yuvraj Verma. Well. This game is going to be an very interesting one. I'm sure world over everyone who's watching this now has already started calling their predictions. Straight to strap match, you see? Champions don't wait. Straight to strap match. Ladies and gentlemen, I forgot to mention, he's also the youngest Indian junior world champion as well. Yeah, we got a world champion with us. Abbas Rana versus Yuvraj Verma. Expect everything from this game. Anything can happen now. The most talked about match for over a year finally unfolds here. Look at his grip. Look at that grip. That's a different one. He's got his leg strapped around that. All right then. Strap match. One can't even imagine how much pressure the referee has at the moment.
Don't pull.
A silver Asian medalist
No moment.
versus a junior gold medalist worldwide. The big game is here. They don't look happy. It's going to take some time.
Okay.
All right.
Wait.
There you go. One more time. Strap comes on.
Okay.
Hopefully this time they'll be happier.
No movement. We strap बंद चलो या movement करो fall में लेगा डाले.
As you heard the referee, if they move, they get a foul.
थम ऊपर. Strap. Okay. Wait.
Well, I think this time we might have a result straight up. It's a strap match.
Yes.
The chances of getting a result are very, very high.
Okay. No movement. Okay. वैसा तो टाइट नहीं होगा. He down. Parallel. Okay. No bullying. नहीं. Okay. Straight. Grip. Yuvraj. No movement. Grip. Ready, go.
There you go.
थोड़ा.
It's not gonna be so easy.
No.
Yuvraj has given it all. Abbas and Whoa! Whoa! You see, world over, people thought Abbas had better chances in this match. Yuvraj just announced himself. There you go. Winner, round number 1. Woo! Well. Yuvraj is determined this time. Also totally away from the plot. Isabella, I think you're standing just here. You're so tall. Yeah, got my eye contact with you. You're so tall. Look at you. Cheers to you. Enjoy. Let's go. All right, let's get ready for round number 2. Round number 2. Well. Abbas versus Yuvraj.
Abbas, Yuvraj, come.
You want to fight him?
Jagat,
Come
change.
on, give it a try.
Abbas, come this side.
No? All right then.
नहीं बरोबर.
Well, Yuvraj won the game, but still has some complaints about the strap. Once again, strap match.
No, okay.
I'm sure this has come as a shocker to many
ये
viewing.
पीछे. Abbas, ये पीछे.
Round number 1
हाँ. Okay.
going to Yuvraj. But on the other side is a world champion, so you never know what's coming your way.
एक मिनट. Step lock करने दो. फिर करता हूँ.
There's a good chance they might just get a foul.
हाँ, okay.
The
Okay,
referee decides.
Tight. Okay. Tight. Loose.
There we
Abbas,
go.
Abbas. Loose. Grip loose. Okay, हाँ, yes. Match है.
Match. All good.
Elbow पीछे.
All good, guys. Don't move.
Don't move.
Well, round number 2
Don't move.
seems
ये हाँ, okay.
just about to begin. Referee looks happy.
Loose होगी. उल्टा पड़ेगा.
Who are we supporting this time around, Abbas or Yuvraj? People here?
Come.
Yuvraj? Okay.
Grip.
All
Grip.
right.
करूँगा. This fine.
Strap match.
या अभी हाथ. हाँ, मेरे हाथ में है. क्या होगा? Step तो बनने दो. ये. ये क्या?
Well, it's not going to be so easy strapping these two
नहीं,
beasts.
side नहीं है. Okay.
There's always a chance it might happen again.
उल्टी बन रही ना.
काम नहीं कर.
Big guns firing. There you go. One more try.
दोनों साइड से कर.
टूट गया क्या?
There you go.
और extra.
All right. Ref, do you want to tell us what's happening?
Strap. The grip of the strap has become loose due to intense pulling.
Wow. So, well, that doesn't happen very often. The grip of the strap has gotten a little loose. I mean, when you have two such big beasts, what do you expect? A new strap is into the picture just after one round. I don't think I've seen this happen in like 5 years of doing this. The strap's gone loose. That's how powerful these two are.
Okay.
World champion versus Asia champion.
हाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ. ये पहले नहीं. Okay. ये देखो ये एकदम ओके है. सुपर एकदम ओके.
All fine.
नहीं. ये हाथ में मेरे हाथ में है. अभी रेफरी लगाई ग्रिप ही नहीं हुई अभी.
Okay.
टाइट.
Even
Okay.
before the grip begins, there's so
अभी
much drama.
रेफरी ग्रिप.
This grip. Don't move. Keep your
And
shoulder
now they
square.
can't
Wait.
move.
Keep your shoulder square. Don't move.
Down.
Shoulder square.
Riser down.
In. Both of you in. In grip. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Keep your wrist straight. Wrist straight.
Center,
Yuvraj,
center,
wrist
center.
straight. Wrist straight.
Down.
Wrist straight.
Riser down.
Wrist straight.
Riser down. Riser.
Down.
Wrist rotate.
Shoulder square.
shoulder.
Wait. Wrist.
Shoulder.
Wrist. Ready, go!
There you go. One more time. Yuvraj dominating. Will Abbas make a comeback? Not today. Not today. Oh my goodness. Everyone thought Abbas would have a very easy run. Yuvraj writing a different story. 2 wins, 2 rounds. Well. Give me a round of applause from Yuvraj, guys. Come on, bring in some energy. Let's go. Whoa. The decibel level went a little louder. All right. Now, the decisive round. Round number 3. And I think Abbas would make a comeback. Just by the way, just when you thought this man sitting over here is doing something, you know, he's actually trying to get the grip right. Till the time this man doesn't say, okay, the match doesn't begin. This referee holds the call. All right. I think you'll have to wait, sir. So stay there. Let me knight you. Okay. Go for it. All right. Round number 3 is about to begin, but who the hell can call these guys up? They decide when they have to come up. If I try, let me try. Yuvraj, okay, no. That said, I'm not even trying. I mean, no. So you want to give it a try? मैं नहीं chances है कि आप भी खा सकते हो. देखो इसमें तो मार तो कोई भी खा सकता है सर. देखो उसमें कोई prediction नहीं होता. Yes. Andre, you want to give it?
Abbas.
Oh, after this round, we're going to call you up. Woo! That's self-volunteering. We love it. You want to fight them? Andre? Andreas, you want to fight them? Oh, okay, thank God. Yeah. I was like, wow, that's a brave call. World champion. Okay, who do you want to fight? Who do you want to arm wrestle? हाथ धो के आपके पीछे क्यों पड़े हुए हैं सर? मुझे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है ये. Walk over. चलो, let's get to this round. Yeah, after this we'll get to that.
हाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ.
All right. Round number 3.
कर लो ऐसे कर लो. ओके.
तभी करना पूरा ठीक करा. ये पूरा ऐसे नीचे की तरफ ऊपर है. ये जब ऐसे करेगा तभी तो होगा.
ये ऐसे पकड़ो. ऐसे पकड़ो.
Once again,
एक मिनट.
it's a strap match.
पीछे. ओके सर हल्का आवाज पीछे. ओके और पीछे. हाँ एक मिनट. हाँ छोड़ो टाइट कर रहा हूँ. ये ओके नो टाइट करो. ओके.
Well, I'd love to see a different story in this round. Let's hope we get to see that.
Elbow head. Elbow down. Elbow down.
Andreas, celebrate. You're coming up next. Yeah.
Wait.
All right, the big match.
Okay.
Round number 3. Is it going to be a clean sweep? Something none of us saw coming.
Center. और elbow back.
That's a strap.
थोड़ा elbow back. Okay बस. ये no movement. Center. Okay center. Shoulder. नहीं center. हर्षित. Grip. आवाज.
पहले मेरी है. फर्स्ट मेरे इसका नहीं. पहले मेरी है. तो ये
Grip. No movement. Wrist. Grip. Rotate. Okay. Wrist straight. No suppression.
सुपेशन पूरी आ रही है.
First
There you
warning.
go.
First one. एकदम relax रहो.
First warning.
No.
You cannot move when the referee is getting the grip.
आवाज elbow पीछे.
अगर ये आगे आएगा तो मैं कहाँ जाऊँगा? You have to
Okay.
सेंटर करना पड़ेगा ना उसके लेवल.
Ma'am, do you want to answer that question? अगर ये आगे आएगा तो मैं कहाँ जाएगा? Please answer for us.
सेंटर देना पड़ेगा वो आगे.
क्या कह रहे सर? Done. Perfect.
आ जाओ.
Okay.
रेफरी ग्रिप है. स्ट्राइप मैच है. एनी मूवमेंट फाउल. ओके. अब
एक वार्निंग पे हो,
बस सुपरविजन सेंटर देख रहे हो.
वो हम सब देख लें.
The referee's trying
Abbas?
to
No rising,
strap
no rising.
for
Square, square.
Rising palm to palm.
Shoulder square.
987th time. It's not going to be so easy. We expect one more strap to break loose.
ये चाहिए.
ये होगा तो करेगा.
पाम टच ही नीचे.
टच है.
And what do you think, Yuvraj?
हंसी नीचे.
टच है. इससे
Abbas.
टच क्या होगा?
Yuvraj? Anyone for Abbas here, sir? Yuvraj? Abbas? Yuvraj? Yuvraj? Anyone for Abbas?
तू राइज आगे आगे देखो.
टच करूंगा, टच करूंगा.
आप आगे आगे आओ. सेंटर तो करो. देखो सेंटर मेरे पीछे मेरे पैर के ऊपर.
एल्बो पीछे.
I love how they're having this conversation.
We'll do it after the square.
They're not going to start till the time they're happy.
टाइट कर रहा हूं.
टाइट से पहले पहले पीछे कराओ उसको.
ग्रिप
आगे आ रहा है.
ग्रिप.
Well, while they're getting the grip, और बताइए सर, सब बढ़िया? ये तो समझ लेंगे.
ये
हर बार बढ़िया काम.
एल्बो बैक.
Okay, let's
एल्बो
go.
बैक. फ्रंट एल्बो. ओके. एल्बो बैक. एल्बो बैक. एल्बो बैक. नो मूवमेंट.
All right.
ओके.
Maybe we might.
सेकंड
see
वार्निंग,
a
फर्स्ट फाउल.
Second warning
First foul.
and first foul. If a player
Another
gets
movement.
two
Rise
warnings,
मत करो.
that's a
Rise.
foul.
पहले मेरा आपकी करिए. टाइट टाइट टाइट.
ओके. थोड़ा सा पीछे 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 पीछे. ओके. हाँ. थोड़ा थम ओपन. थम ओपन. ये.
Big game.
ओके.
Living
थम
up
क्लोज. ओनली थम
to
क्लोज.
what we expected.
नो. मैं देख रहा हूँ. नहीं आ रही. ओके. रिस्ट. ओनली ग्रिप. नो मूवमेंट अभी. रिस्ट. रोटेट. रेडी गो.
There you go. Is it going to be the same story?
ओके.
And ladies and gentlemen, the Asia champion just beat the world champion here tonight. Yuvraj rewrote the entire script. Everyone thought Abbas was a strong one to this game, but Yuvraj's come out as the winner. Can we have a round of applause for Yuvraj, everyone? Bring it in. Woo! While we're waiting for the referee, there might be a change. The referee is saying something else.
Abbas, take review. Review किसी ने? Early movement, elbow foul.